Hi, Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making buffalo chicken bombs. This recipe is super simple, delicious. It stems back to when I used to work at Tyson Farms. I was a therapeutic chicken masseuse. Yes, that is a real thing. Look it up. The recipe and links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. If you love our videos and want to see me keep cooking, do us a huge favor. Click that thumbs up button. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Click the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you weren't aware, we also have a Facebook group called Omnia Oven Stovetop Oven Fans. That is a great group. Check it out on Facebook. I'm ready to cook. I'm definitely ready to eat. Let's cook.